Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need two basics before you begin: Word with Read Aloud support and a working speaker or headset. Once ready, open the document and position the insertion point at the exact paragraph you want read. Next, go straight to the Review tab and locate Read Aloud. Click it. You'll hear the first sentence immediately. This verifies audio and voice selection. If nothing plays, make sure system volume is not muted and confirm Word isn't minimized to a pause state. Once Read Aloud starts, use the play/pause button to control flow and the next/previous buttons to jump by sentence. These let you skim or study efficiently. Make sure to open the voice menu to change narrator or to slow the speed. Slower pace improves comprehension, while faster pace saves time. If you only want a section read, highlight that passage first. Word will focus on the selection. Also, consider switching to Immersive Reader for larger form. To finish, click Stop. Then save your document. Read Aloud doesn't alter content. If you need to resume later, place the cursor where you left off and hit Read Aloud again. If nothing plays, first check the selected system voice, install another voice or update Office if it's missing. If problems persist, restart Word or the Windows audio service and make sure no other app is holding exclusive audio. One troubleshooting tip: switch output device in System Sound Settings to confirm the correct speaker is active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.